In this video, I will show you a great Google Slides tip that will help you whenever you want to swap out images in your slideshows. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. Here I am in a great little slideshow that I'm working on, but I've decided I want to trade out this cat for another cat. I could do it the harder way or the easier, more convenient way. Let's look at both. So I could go here to Insert at the top, and I could choose Image and Upload from Computer. Click. At that point, I would just need to navigate my computer for the image that I would like to select, and it uploads that image into my slideshow. Now I could select the image I want to get rid of and tap Delete on the keyboard, and then I could click and drag to put this new cat basically where the other cat was, and I might need to resize the cat to make it a similar size as the original. And you can see that there's like 8 or 10 steps that I've taken here to get the cat to fully replace the previous cat. Let's do it now the easier way. I'm going to go back to how the slide originally was, and let's look at the much easier way. I can just right-click on the existing cat and choose Replace Image, Upload from Computer, and then I'll select the fluffy cat. And not only is the new cat being uploaded into my Google slideshow, but it replaces the old cat immediately and comes in at the same size as the original cat. I still may need to reposition the cat just a little bit, but still, by right-clicking and choosing Replace Image, I've saved myself at least 2 or 3 additional steps. So that's how you can easily replace an image in Google Slides. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video.